Luxury pickup trucks often symbolize wealth and success. However, they may mask deeper insecurities. Narcissism is sometimes linked to materialism. A $86,000 truck could signify a need for status affirmation. Such vehicles may cater to image-conscious individuals. They project an image of power and prestige. Owners might seek validation through their possessions. Psychological motivations often influence luxury purchases. Status symbols can serve as a social currency. The luxury truck becomes a tool for self-presentation. It potentially hides personal insecurities or self-doubt. Material wealth doesn't always equate to actual fulfillment. Positional goods reflect socioeconomic competition. Sociological theories suggest conspicuous consumption signals status. Luxury vehicles might fulfill personal and societal standards. They provide a sense of superiority and exclusiveness. Expenditure on luxury highlights disparity in income distribution. It also emphasizes consumption as a cultural phenomena. The automotive industry caters to diverse consumer desires. Insecurity might drive some luxury vehicle purchases. The vehicles offer an escape from personal vulnerabilities. Luxury consumption reflects contemporary cultural dynamics. Marketers exploit human psychological tendencies in advertising. Advertisements target aspirational aspects of consumer behavior. They often create perceived needs for status and luxury. Ultimately, consumption rituals shape identity and social dynamics. Understanding motivations can clarify cultural and economic patterns. Luxury goods often promise happiness and societal approval. Self-worth becomes increasingly tied to material possessions. This may reflect deeper societal issues of self-perception. Materialism and consumerism influence identity formation.